जिल्ह्यातील घडामोडींच्या प्रत्येक क्षणांची अचूक माहिती मिळवण्यासाठी पहा फक्त एनसीएन न्यूज। आमच्या YouTube चॅनलला सबस्क्राइब करा आणि बेल आयकॉनला प्रेस करा। रोटरी क्लब नाशिक रोड यांचा पदाधिकारी कार्यकाळ मुदत संपल्याने नवीन पदाधिकारी यांची निवड हॉटेल सेलिब्रेटा नाशिक रोड येथे बार असोसिएशनचे अध्यक्ष नितीन ठाकरे यांच्या अध्यक्षतेखाली संपन्न झाली। कार्यक्रमाच्या सुरुवातीला दीप प्रज्वलन करून उपस्थित मान्यवरांचा सत्कार करण्यात आला। यावेळी मावळते रोटरी क्लब अध्यक्ष गौरव बडवे यांनी आपल्या कार्यकाळातील अनुभव कथन करून नवनिर्वाचित अध्यक्षांना शुभेच्छा दिल्या।
In 4 Rotary principles of 4 ways and 4 things in which I believe in my life, which is Samadarshi, that is team effort, Margadarshi, that is guiding hand, Duradarshi, that is with a longer vision, and Pardarshi, whatever we do, it should be transparently shared with your members, with your Rotary family. I would like to give special thanks to Rotarian Ranjit Sadhvi sir for his technical support all through the year, because we were having restrictions on physical meetings, and a guy who actually managed each and every Zoom meeting. So I am really thankful to Rotarian Ranjit Sadhvi sir.
रोटरी क्लबच्या सर्व नवनिर्वाचित पदाधिकाऱ्यांनी माजी पदाधिकाऱ्यांकडून पदभार स्वीकारला। नवनिर्वाचित रोटरी अध्यक्ष ॲडव्होकेट कामिया जाधव यांनी मनोगत व्यक्त केले।
And I'm really privileged and honored to be a part of Rotary. I would now want to talk about my upcoming projects in my tenure, that is 2021 to 22. The first is membership development and retention. We are expecting to install at least 10 members this year. We will be continuing the old projects like free sanitary pads to the girls, mental health project, girl environment projects, rights of women, rights of children like POCSO Act 2012, much been affected after the Nirbhaya case, and juvenile courts, youth programs, health and education, and that would be health and education for adults and as well as children as well. Parental duties towards the children, good touch, bad touch, awareness to the children, club service and administration, car garbage bags to stop littering on the road. Projects as per the seasons and festives like distribution of raincoats in monsoons, distribution of blankets in the winters, Diwali, Christmas, etc.
कार्यक्रमाचे अध्यक्ष नितीन ठाकरे यांच्या हस्ते सर्व नवनिर्वाचित पदाधिकाऱ्यांचा सत्कार करण्यात आला। रोटरी क्लबच्या सर्व नवनिर्वाचित पदाधिकाऱ्यांना शुभेच्छा देत ॲडव्होकेट नितीन ठाकरे यांनी मनोगत व्यक्त केले।
Excellent job. This club has done a very good job throughout this year also. In the situation of pandemic, this club has done like anything. Previous team has done excellent job and worked in a nice manner throughout the year. I congratulate all of them, the outgoing team, and also I welcome all the members of the new team under the leadership of Advocate Kamiya Jadhav. She is a dynamic lady of our fraternity and the only lady who has appeared in the international court from Nasik. I am sure under her leadership the club will reach to its new heights. I congratulate to her entire team. Thank you very much.
तसेच रोटरी क्लबच्या कार्यक्रमात उपस्थित असलेल्या सर्व मान्यवर पदाधिकाऱ्यांचे निखिल गांधी यांनी आभार मानले.
Advocate Nitin Thakre sir for giving their precious time to us. I also thank Rotarian Sanjay Anerao sir, our AG, for his precious time to our club. I also thank our Rotary members, Rotarians, and aides for coming for the installation. I thank Celebrate Hotel Management for their efforts. Thank you so much.
या कार्यक्रमाप्रसंगी बार असोसिएशन अध्यक्ष नितीन ठाकरे, माजी अध्यक्ष गौरव बडवे, माजी सेक्रेटरी सुशील अमेसर, नवनिर्वाचित अध्यक्ष ॲडव्होकेट कामिया जाधव, सेक्रेटरी निखिल गांधी, असिस्टंट गव्हर्नर संजय अनेराव, मिलिंद पारख, नविता पारख, जिया पारख, अस्मिता रॉय, सोनाली मलानी, अर्चना लोया, रणजित साळवे, कल्पेश लोया, अतुल मलानी, रवी भुतडा, रणजित साळवे, महेश उपाध्ये, बबन मुठाळ, ॲडव्होकेट क्रांती आदींसह रोटरी क्लब मेंबर उपस्थित होते. कार्यक्रमाचं सूत्रसंचालन वनिता पारख आणि मिलिंद पारख यांनी केले. एनसीएनसाठी प्रतिनिधी देवदास पाटील, रोड.